I live the life of a celebrity. A made figure way bigger than the mother cat you love to see.
What's up, YouTube? Oh, I missed you guys. It's been a while, but I am back with another vlog, and of course I am on vacations. Shout out to Bay. That's Bay. Hi, Bay.
What up, y'all?
So anyway, as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going on another cruise. My first time actually on the Royal Caribbean cruise. And we're going to Bahamas and we're going to Jamaica. Cause you already know I live for Jamaica. At this point, it's like it's in me. It's not on me. I have to get Jamaica. So this will be this will be my first time Jamaica this year, and I have been Jamaica every year for the last 3 years, and I'm never gonna stop. So we are literally just getting ready to check out. We got in yesterday, and of course we are in no other place but Miami. So we're gonna go get ready. We're gonna go run some errands before we have to be at the port at 2:30. It's like 8:30 now, and then we're gonna head out and get ready. So stay tuned, guys, because you're coming with us on another cruise. I'll give you guys a fit check in a bit. Like, as soon as we finish, I'll go ahead and take some pictures and we're gonna start our fit check. So see you soon, guys.
Bang. Bada boom.
A big body putting up on a big body. Looking at the blue balls of this truck.
Hey, pause. Pause.
I'm just saying, who's smart?
No, you're saying
like
it
that?
wrong.
Okay,
Pause.
look at the truck's balls there.
Jesus Christ.
Pit stop to Chick-fil-A. Before we go. Shouldn't be allowing Sephora because you end up like spending a hefty bag in there every single time you get to Sephora. It's not even a joke. Let's go shopping. I got everything. Just walked out of Sephora, as you can see, and babe had to wait for me. So now we are about to go finish shopping, or go somewhere. I don't know where we're going. I think Walmart next. Oh, this was my male one, like thick. My hero like V-necks. He likes raw necks. I'm so excited! That was a really smooth check-in process, isn't it? That was like the smoothest check-in process ever. Hi, baby.
What up, bud? You ready?
Ready to go with the ship. This is our second cruise together within 1 year. It's our anniversary of our first cruise. So we're on our second cruise literally within 1 year of each other. And a whole different cruise. So as you know, we got on Carnival last time, so now we're on a different cruise. So let's see what Royal Caribbean is saying.
What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, oh, you been the cabin, ride the whip. I know you ride for nothing.
Alright, time to our cruise. Alright, room tour. Ooh. some mirror. What's up, YouTube? So, as you can see, we're made it onto the ship. Gave you guys a little room tour. And I'm gonna be honest and say, if you looked at off my first cruise on Carnival, I was feeling that room a little better than this room. Just my honest opinion, no cap. So, I like Carnival better. Maybe because we had a balcony. So, as you saw, we don't have a balcony. It's just a window. It's just like an ocean view room. It is what it is. But I'm not gonna lie, I like the bed on this one. The bed's better than our Carnival cruise because it's more comfy. So, come on, babe. We gotta get ready to go upstairs. We're gonna check out the ship because they have these sailaway parties at 4:15. You know me, I love a little party. So we're gonna go see sailaway party. And I want to check out, you know, the ship. Because it's my first time on Royal Caribbean ships. I need to see what it's given. And I just want to say this. If anybody ever from Royal Caribbean ever watches my vlog, why is you guys' internet so damn expensive? It's not that serious. People need to contact their families, their kids. And you don't want to charge $30 a day. I know you're thinking that all we're going to do is just post on Instagram about it, but it ain't about that. I just understand why it's so expensive. I'm about to go ask one of these staff members if they could give me the password to the staff Wi-Fi. You know, because... who's paying $30 a day? Yeah. Okay, well, let's go. Alright, so guys, we have actually started to set sail. So we're moving. So let me show you. That's us moving. So we are on our way to Bahamas. So when we wake up tomorrow morning, we're going to be in Bahamas.
That's going to be proper.
I'm excited. So we're gonna enjoy the rest of the cruise. I gave you guys a lot of vlog. I'm actually gonna put my phone away.
Vacation time.
Right. That's our next cruise, guys. Virgin, virgin, virgin. Shout out to all these virgins on these voyages. So it's our next one. Hey, look, that's the Royal Caribbean Cruise offices, if you can see it. There. That's right, but file my complaint of your internet package, because that's unruly.
And a drink package too.
That's unruly too. Oh yeah, Ben, tell them how much was the drink package? Tell them.
No, I don't really want to know.
They do want to know. Tell them.
Alright, I'll put it to you this way. The drink package is actually more than the actual cruise. That's fact. More than the cruise. What's this?
$700
for one person. $1,000 for two.
Y'all better act like, even if y'all are friends, y'all better act like y'all were
both that for the
together
damn
and one person get that drink package and y'all better go bunch of it.
Yeah, but they hustle you though. I tried, like, yeah, they hustle you though.
I don't know, Royal, because I honestly say that's not going to pressure me first that drink
You
package
got
is
to get one
alive.
at a time.
And the internet, I just don't
understand.
understand. How is the internet like $30 a day? That just don't make no sense. That's more, when I think about it, my bill for the month costs like about that. For back at home, like $100.
Yeah, less than that.
$30 a day? I should have bought my own little Wi-Fi router up in here and everything.
Make you know say anything when you do, they must comment it. So anything me I do, I did drive to the drum.
Yeah, I'm gonna learn that shit today.
That looks fun. I know I will bust my ass without no hesitation on it. What are you looking forward the most towards this trip?
You and me.
Ding ding ding! Correct
Just
answer.
us two. Alone time.
That is the correct
Yeah.
answer. I am your prize. Right, I am looking
I got
forward.
the correct answer.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to relaxing.
Yeah, fact.
Relaxing,
We work hard, man. We work a lot. We grind a lot.
and we need to.
We're
So
a big power team. They don't know it, but ain't really none of your business.
try.
It's our business. This type of stuff we get to do. And this is just the beginning. Tip of the iceberg. You did.
Facts.
Tip of the iceberg. You did. This is just. Yeah, it's flex time.
So
Let's go food.
Plenty, plenty, plenty survive with face just to make your money. Yeah. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house. Schemes and packaging in a one night for
why Draco dropped my shoe all the way down there? Dropped my whole shoe from the balcony down there. Like, why would you? He kicked my shoe. Look how I'm retrieving my shoe. Say it. Dogger!
what's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. The girl them ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. What's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley.
Sorrento's pizza, babe. Pizza slices.
Kitchen in a one night for shows. I'm juggling, rolling the ocean, port I'm paddling. Cherishing a fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I did consent.
Guys, so Draco is actually about to do a soccer tournament kickoff thing. So as you see, just doing like a little briefing and everything. I want to say he's got this, but we don't know. We'll find out together. Just wait and see how he do it. Alright, so it's about to start. Draco is confident that he's got it. So we'll see. Talking about let's hurry up and win this real quick, baby, and you know we go finish the rest of the cruise. And I'm not gonna lie, it's getting cold now, so I need to get back to the room quick and go get me a little jacket. So let's go, let's get Draco win this little tournament thing so we can go. And I'm starving to get hungry, so I'm ready to go eat. Let's go. Alright, babe, it's time. You're so confident. Look at you. Look at my, gotta get my winner coming. My winner chicken. My baby! Woo! You did that, babe. Alright, back to our room.
Bubbly
Let's go.
time.
Let's go.
Cheers to the sweetest soul. Me. Ha! Happy anniversary, baby. Cheers again.
Anniversary.
It is. It's our cruise anniversary.
Oh,
We gotta
cruise
push it.
anniversary. We got it like this. We got it like this.
Okay, cheers to life and.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, that's cool now.
That's cool.
Oh boy, it's hot in here. Come on, I get drunk.
Bye.
You're talking the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind ago. And I don't go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci bottle, the Fendi, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my word is running, baby, she gon' save me, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. Girl, your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me. You amaze me.
That's fine.
Don't look that great. Some funny cut, like looks like ham to me. It's like pork.
I'm not a mixed emotions.
Yeah, it's not a tenderoni.
Thank you.
You know that. Gracias, boss. Change, please. No, it's not. I can look at it and tell they ain't that warm.
Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me. Other girls them only really want to play me, but when I date with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me. All them other girls they really want to play me, but when I date with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime.
I would love to have you. I want to be a host tonight. My name is Naz, all the way from Argentina. So everybody say hi, Naz.
Hi, Naz.